Okay, so welcome back to lecture 10. This is going to be focused on time-based effects, mainly reverbs and delays. So what we're not going to be doing is going into all the different types of reverbs and delays. We're just going to show you how to sort of set them up so you can manipulate them within a mix. That being said, let's just jump into the mix review. Okay, and if we notice here, we've got the chorus here. And what we're going to do is I'm just actually going to right-click this and then duplicate the track. And by duplicating the track, it actually made a new send. So I'm going to name this vocal reverb. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing and just get a vocal delay going. There we go. Super, super simple. Okay, so I'm going to bring these faders all the way down. I'm going to actually mute the chorus because we don't need that. So I'll do this. I'm going to remove. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to hit plus here, and I'm just going to look for the actual reverbs themselves. So if I go reverb room, and then we've got a Lexicon 224 or pure plate. Let's use the pure plate. So click this, and then it jumps open. Okay, so a couple things here. We've got a mix to dry to wet. I'm going to keep it all the way on, meaning it's going to be all reverb because again, we're sending that signal. Okay, so now it's already kind of set up because this send is actually sending signal, and now I just need to bring up the actual fader to get more reverb. Can someone tell me all of the reasons why? So, piece of cake. And we'll do the same thing for delay. So now my favorite delay is actually called Echo Boy. There we go. And there we go. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to change the tempo. Right. So the reason why I just did that, and if we notice it actually changed here as well, is because I want the delay actually to be in time with the vocal, and that session was 117 BPM. So I'm going to turn the mix all the way up, and then I'm going to have the feedback. This is how many repeats or how many echoes. And I'm just going to press play. Can someone tell me all of the reasons why? Help me to wage war. Right, so we get an idea that this is, delay and this is reverb. Now, how we make these work in a mix or in a track, that is another discussion, but this is the basic setup, okay? That being said, we'll catch you on the next one.